All right, so we got a behind the camera intro today. I'm going to try to get in front of the air conditioner so it's not quite so loud. Turn it off for a second. It's actually the 26th. I haven't changed the date. I can explain the difference between potential and kinetic energy. I can identify examples of potential and kinetic energy. We're going to be finishing our lab work with our groups. All members must participate and be on track to run lab tests. Every person's lab report is 16 points. Same thing, we're going to clean up with about 3 minutes left. Let's take a look at what the lab materials look like. You get a section of track like this. You get books. I said one book will probably do you fine for the first thing, something like that. Most people seem to have gotten that far. Second thing asks you to build a ramp on each side. So you got a ramp going up there, ramp going up here. Step back so you can see it. Okay, right, just like that. Then you're going to be trying to get your ramp to go through a single loop. We're not going to use these as the loop launchers. I'm going to move that part out of the way. So just trying to get it through the loop. That is the reason that these are done in that order. This one you're trying to go down and back up. Use what you learned from that one to try to go through the loop. Use what you learned from that to try to double loop. Basically the Demon roller coaster over at Great America. Trying to get it through both of those. Then it asks you to, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on Mark Twain here. Then it asks you to analyze what happened, what went well, what issues you had, and try to break it down from there. And then it follows up with a series of questions to check your understanding of things. So the goal is to finish that today, Thursday in class. And so I'm going to go ahead and get out of the way. We're going to get back to getting started. You do need to have sketches. You do need to have your estimates, your guesses at what will happen. And you do need to have your description of what actually happened. A point of note on that, if you make a guess and you're incorrect, then you write down that you were incorrect and what went wrong. You don't just keep running tests, pushing the car through, changing your design. You're testing your original design. That's been a struggle for some groups so far. You test your design and then you see how it goes. And then you write down what actually happened. If you have gone through and changed your design, if you want to change your design, you can change it and get it reapproved by me and then go through it again. But you can't just change it, and then write down in your notes, yeah, it worked. That's not going to be an accurate lab report. It's not going to be the best way to learn. So we want to be focused on doing things the right way, following directions, working as a team. And then that last part, you'll be answering those questions primarily on your own. One last reminder, I will be absent on Friday. You guys are aware of that. You will have an assignment. You will have a vlog. Things I expect will go totally smooth. I don't think it's going to be an issue. So good luck today.